Good afternoon. I wasn't feeling too great this morning. Just really tired, like I didn't sleep much last night, you know, the whole shebang. But, sorry, I'm reversing out of my sister's driveway. As you heard, I have Tommy, and we are on our way. Close their garage door. Oh gosh, don't hit their house. That'd be bad. I'm trying to avoid my car, which is right there. We are on our way to go get Adam and the two girls, so that we can go, I'm totally on their grass, to the museum for a couple hours. The museum's open for like 2 more hours or so. But because we're members and all of that, 2 hours is more than enough time to go and see and hang out. The toddler really enjoys the little kid discover area, so we'll take him to go do that for a little bit, and then I have him overnight. My sister and her boyfriend went out of town for the day, so yeah, let's take you along with us. All right, we made it to the Denver Museum of Nature and Science. We're all here. It's Kennedy. Addison is clearly up there. Adam. All right, let's go see what we can see.
Once again, more coolers, not as warmer. And lastly, we got Margo.
Very excited to be in the elevator. Whoa! Oh! Standing like the girls are up against the wall. Are you having fun?
Right.
Yeah? Little apron. To the museum. We are in the Discovery Zone, which is for 2nd grade and under. And the girls are playing with Tommy in the water filter. Having some fun. This is an exhibit on Cuba. So it's kind of neat. It's a nice car. So my father-in-law can play all of those instruments over there, which is pretty cool. We can play a game. I don't know what the said game is, but yeah.
So apparently they let you play with the drums over here.
Supposed to be like, oh, this is cool, like the Coral Gardens of the Queen.
Upside down jellyfish.
That's what that says. That's what that video is. A shark. Oh.
No, you take that one.
Now we're playing some instruments. Kennedy wants to learn how to play the drums. Ooh, just put it. Cuba exhibit.
It's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. It's fun.
It's Puerto Rico.
This guy. It's pretty neat. It's fun.
Yeah, it's neat.
We have a lot of interesting facts. But we have a 1-year-old. and 2 autistic children that don't really want to stand around. So we just walk. It's a spoonbill, isn't it? Oh yeah, it is. Look at me. That's pretty cool. It looks like it's splashing out of water too. Dinosaurs. Dinosaur fun. It's kind of neat, but it's like you go up the stairs here. There's a little landing, and then you go down the stairs, and that's where most of the dinosaurs are at. Cute little book area. He just climbed up the flight of stairs.
There are now 7,000 guidebooks.
Thomas, see, when you go down and you see all the fossils. Are in the, what is this? Discovery Health. They have just a bunch of health things and exercises you can do. Come on. Addison and the baby are in there, going down that slide. Adam and Kennedy are doing the health things. Here's your stride. See him walking. And then it'll come. Oh, I went back the wrong way. And so this is Kennedy, that's Adam. It won't record it. Adam, do you put your card in? It'll come up. There's his stride. There's a card right there. Use that one. Just use that card sitting right there. Come here, buddy. Buff. Yay. Look at his little walk. Alright, we are home from the museum. We're just making some dinner. Got a sink full of dirty dishes behind me. We are having essentially baked penne, but since I'm the only one that can have dairy, it's not being baked. So it's just penne noodles with a meat sauce and a salad. Here's the penne cooking away. It has about 10 minutes left. Just browning some beef here. And Adam is making, Joey brought a bunch of food home from school, is making us a salad. So there's just a spring mix with some cucumbers, and then he's chopping up a red and a yellow cucumber, not cucumber, bell pepper. They're fumigating Joey's dorm, so she had to remove all food so that it didn't melt, as their exact words. I guess it's just what they do every winter. So, but this is what dinner looks like. It's just gluten-free penne noodles with ground beef and jarred sauce, because I wanted it quick and easy. We're actually, it's 6:30 here, and we usually eat between 5 and 5:30, so we're actually eating pretty late. But this is what it looks like. Here is the girls' Italian salad dressing that we make ourselves, and then the salad.